Hi, we have the two condos that are behind us here. They're inverse of each other. One's right, one's left. Watch the next 2 weeks. You'll get to see both sides. Hi, Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living. We're coming to you from Harvest Point subdivision, condominium subdivision, located here in Mount Washington. The water tower is just right across the street over there. I'm with Fischer Homes. This is Telisia Jackson.
Wow.
She's a representative for Fischer Homes, and she's going to give us some insight on this wonderful condo here. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Correct, 2.5 baths, yeah.
Can you tell us some more about it?
Absolutely. So this is our market home. This is our Hudson, located at 162 Harvest Point Way in our Mount Washington community. This floor plan offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it sits a little over 1,600 square feet, 1,651 to be exact.
And did you say the price by chance?
It's $289,990. Wanted to save the best for last.
So, great price on a lot of space out here in Mount Washington. You got this wonderful 2-car garage. Everything's nicely landscaped. You're right here on the corner if you want a corner lot. So let's go ahead. We'll take a look inside and let you see the interior part of this wonderful condo.
Absolutely, follow me.
I like this big Craftsman style door here.
Very, very nice. This area right here is going to lead you into the 2-car garage. It's going to be the coat closet.
And we have the staircase going up to the 2nd floor here that goes right back into the living room area and the kitchen area, dining space. Got these massive windows that are here on the back.
Correct. This area right here is what we would consider our morning room area. This is an informal dining area. Notice that you have your concrete pad out here, so your glass doors are going to take you out there. You could set up a fire pit. What would you say? What would you do with this area out here?
I definitely do a fire pit, maybe a swing of some type.
Yeah.
Still got enough room to possibly even put a little trampoline out there for kids.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. And this particular home is actually a part of our paired patio collection.
And then we have the quartz countertops. Got the nice gray cabinetry. Really like that. And then this kind of doubles as a serving area as well as your functional space with your sink and everything.
Absolutely.
And then over there to the side there we have a pantry area. Nice sized pantry in here. And it's already nicely shelved, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you have
nice powder room to the side.
Powder room down here. And then all this is luxury vinyl, correct?
Luxury vinyl planks, that is correct.
All right, let's go ahead and we'll go upstairs. We'll check out the 2nd floor of this wonderful condo. All right, so we're up here on the 2nd floor and we've got this nice little area that could be utilized for like a study area over here.
Oh, yeah.
Then we have the washer and dryer.
Correct. And this nice ledge right here, you could actually utilize this as a folding table. You could add some shelves.
It's still nice and spacious. Yeah.
Correct. Oh, yeah.
And then we have the bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms up here.
Nice full-size bath.
Now, this bathroom, if they wanted to update that to like a tile, everything, or put in a different type of tub or anything, that's all possible through
Absolutely.
the design studio, correct?
That is correct, yes.
Now, on the model homes, they can do all that before all this gets completed and stuff.
Well, not so on a market they couldn't. On a market it would be considered more of a spec style home.
Okay.
But yes, if you were to build the home from the
Then-
ground up, contract to build, you absolutely would have
Gotcha.
some more options. That is correct.
And then we have the 2 bedrooms here. They're pretty much a mirror image of each other, is that correct?
Yes,
Good
that is
size.
correct. That is correct.
Nice carpet up here. I got plenty of storage in both bedrooms.
That is correct.
And then over here, we go back down a couple of stairs here, we go into the primary.
Yes. Now this is very, very spacious.
And I love that window seat over there. And then we have our primary bathroom here.
correct.
Nice big walk-in shower.
Yes. You got your water closet tucked off here to the side.
Lovely
Nice
glass
shower.
work on the shower.
Oh yeah, and the luxury vinyl planks as well too. Add a nice touch in here. Got black hardware, very modern. Something really neat about this closet space in here is that it actually offers a window.
Got it natural light.
A
Come right in
lot
here.
of natural light.
And then you can almost take a little nap. Right here in front of the window.
You could just need a pillow and a blanket. That is correct.
Wonderful. So if you like this particular condominium, we're again in Mount Washington. Give us a call. This is Telisia Jackson with Fischer Homes. My name's Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living.
Yes. Bye.